Good morning, my dear students. Today I will discuss class 7 science from chapter number 9. Today I will discuss, or today's topic is human respiratory system. That means how the respiration process in the human being or human body. So many organs or several organs included or involved in our respiratory system or the human in respiratory systems. At first I will tell you which organs are involved in the respiratory system. Nostrils, nasal cavity, trachea, bronchi, lungs, bronchioles and alveoli. These are the all, and also many of helping organs are there in the respiratory system. Respiratory system, that means the exhalation and inhalation. At first, the air enters the nostril. So the air enters our body through the two holes in the nose. Two holes of nose, air will be enter or air enters into our body. It is called the nostril. By these two holes of in the nose, air will be enters in our body. It is called the nostrils, and passes through the nasal cavity, and air will be passes through the nasal cavity to the windpipe, or it is called the trachea. Trachea also called the windpipe. It is like a pipe shape. That's why trachea is called the pipe, and also air will be enters or passes through this trachea, so it is called the windpipe. Then I will tell you the next step. From the trachea, the air passes into two small tubes called bronchi. From the trachea, there is two small tubes like this. By these tubes, air will be passes to the bronchi. Bronchi, that means it is plural form. If it is singular, on that time it is called the bronchus. B-R-O-N-C-H-U-S, bronchus. It is a singular form. Each and every bronchus enters to lungs. Each and every bronchus parts, some of the part of this bronchus enter into the lungs. Inside the lungs, each bronchus divided into a large number of small tubes. It is called the bronchioles. What is bronchioles? So the bronchioles is each bronchus divided into a large number of small tubes. Do you understand? Each bronchus, that means if it is singular, each bronchus, that means one is singular. So each bronchus divided into a large number of small tubes. That means, suppose this is bronchus. Okay, each bronchus divided into a large number of small tubes. Each bronchus, that means this bronchus will be divided into a large number of small bronchus. So large number of small tubes are there. So each and every tube is called the bronchioles. Do you understand? Then at the end of each bronchiole, each and every portion, end the portion of each bronchiole, end portion of the each bronchiole, teeny air sacs are present which are called the alveoli. This is called the alveoli. That means the each and every tube-like structure, it is called the bronchioles. If bronchioles, that means the end portion of each and every bronchioles, teeny air sac. Here is teeny air sac. That means air will be sac here. So the teeny air sac, it is called a alveoli. Singular, if it is plural form, alveolus is the plural singular form. Alveolus. Okay, alveolus is a singular form or singular number. Alveolus, that means the alveoli, that means so many alveolus are together, it is called the alveoli. The walls of the alveoli have a large number of thin blood capillaries are there, through which the exchange of gases takes place. That means the walls of alveoli, suppose it is bronchioles, the end portion of the bronchiole here is air sac, or that means air will be sac here, so it is called alveoli. It is called alveoli. So the alveoli, each and every alveoli have a large number of thin blood capillaries. That means it will be make large number of blood capillaries. It is only the alveoli. Okay. So the lungs will be situated in the chest cavity. Lungs will be situated. Here is a picture. Lungs will be situated. Where situated? It is in chest cavity. Here is cavity inside of the lungs. It is called the chest cavity, and are protected by the rib cage, and also these are protected by the rib cage. That means after lungs it will be a rib cage. A muscular sheet is called diaphragm. It is called diaphragm, muscular sheet here. Here is muscular sheet. This one is called the diaphragm, or in between the both of these lungs. From the floor of the chest cavity, start the diaphragm, where it will be start from the floor of the chest cavity. It is situated in the floor of the chest cavity. The movement of the diaphragm and the rib cage are involved in the process of breathing. That means the movement of diaphragm and also rib cage. Rib cage are there in our chest. Movement of rib cage and also the diaphragm, it is the breathing process or breathing process. Here is mechanism of breathing process in human being. Human being also have a mechanism of breathing mechanism. That means the mechanism of breathing also included this respiratory organ. Okay, So these are, you should learn it or read it properly, read thoroughly, and I will ask you what is windpipe, what is trachea, from where air will be passes to the trachea when it is respiration. So you should learn this particular or each and every part. What is bronchial, what is the function of bronchial, what is the singular form of bronchi, what is nostril, what is nasal cavity, and also you should learn this line chart. Okay, and also you should learn the mechanism of breathing in human being. Next I will tell you the what is the difference between the breathing and respiration. At first I will tell you breathing is the physical process and respiration is the chemical reaction. Respiration is a reaction because I already taught you the anaerobic and aerobic respirations are there, and also with a chemical reaction it will be occur. So the respiration is the chemical reaction that involve the breaking down of food. Yes, we know about that. The breaking down of food, it is called the respiration. And breathing, it is the physical process that involves the exchange of oxygen on carbon dioxide, inhalation of oxygen and exhalation of carbon dioxide. It will be a breathing. No energy is released by the breathing process. Don't get the or don't release the energy, but the respiration, by this respiration process or by the respiration process we are releasing the energy. It occurs outside cells. That means breathing will be occur into outside the cell. It occurs, respiration will be occur, always respiration will be occurring inside the cell. So you should learn the difference between breathing and respiration. So thank you my dear students, thank you for watching.